I will show you another interesting idea for the bar chain. The links of this chain look like they are braided, but it's just twisted decorative wire you can make yourself or buy in my store. You can also make a bracelet using this technique. It looks quite complicated, but what if I told you that it takes just minutes to make? For the chain, I use 20 gauge wire for links and 18 gauge wire for connectors. I will show you how to make such a wire using a small sample. This wire is twisted counterclockwise. Now we need to twist the opposite side, that is clockwise. Don't overdo it, we only need to make a few turns. Look closely, it looks like a rope chain. If for some reason you can't make such a wire yourself or want to save time, welcome to my store. I have it in 3 dimensions. I will use a small piece of decorative wire. It will be enough for a short chain choker. I got 6 links of 4.8 millimeters. You can use simple round nose pliers. Just find a place that will match the width of your links. Six bars needs 12 connectors. Clamp the last link of the connector. Do the same on the other side. Use 16 gauge wire for jump rings. From 29 centimeters of decorative wire, we got a 38 centimeters chain. Well, making a bracelet is even easier than making a chain. It is made of 18 gauge wire,